Room 6126. This is a junior suite with pool terrace. This connects to a king room. This one has two doubles. Two double beds, side table in between. Nice love seat, coffee table, mini bar. There's a terrace here with your two sun loungers, table chairs, and jacuzzi tub. Come back through the room. You can see those two double beds. And the washroom area. Two sinks. Shower with your rainwater shower head. Handheld nozzle. Toilet area. Voila. This is a preferred club junior suite with pool terrace.